Hi, I'm Clarence Anthony, CEO and Executive Director of the National League of Cities. Before we get to our weekly federal advocacy update, I just have to start with one thing. Local leaders, now is not the time to back down. We need to keep up the pressure on members of Congress and Republican leadership so that they realize the situation our communities are facing financially. It is imperative that the federal government provides resources to local governments to continue COVID-19 response. This is a national crisis, and now is the time for our federal partners to step in. We're not asking them to save the day. We're asking for much needed support and partnership. Now, here are the top 5 things you need to know from our federal advocacy team. Number 1, this week Congress passed a $484 billion interim relief bill. The bill helped replenish the Paycheck Protection Program, which exhausted its funds 2 weeks ago. Number 2, for 12 days, Democratic leaders fought to get additional funds for state and local governments so that it be added to the interim bill, or to allow funds from the CARES Act to be used to backfill lost revenue. Unfortunately, they were unsuccessful on both counts. Number 3, the next funding bill is going to be an uphill battle, even though President Trump pledged to provide federal support to state and local governments. Senate Majority Leader McConnell suggested that it would be better for states and cities to go bankrupt than to have the federal government provide financial support. This, as you know, is unacceptable. We all must work together to fight that dangerous narrative. Number 4, we have lots of amazing champions in Congress who are fighting to provide money to local governments. So I want to say thank you to Speaker Pelosi. Thank you, Leader Schumer. Thank you, Representative Negus in Tipton of Colorado, and Representative Lahan and Senator Hendrick of New Mexico for your leadership on the COVID Community Relief Fund Act. Now, more than ever, we need federal-local partnership. And number 5, next week, Representative Snyder of Illinois will introduce a bill to allow government employers to access tax credits for providing paid sick leave and paid family leave for municipal employees. NLC worked closely with this office to make sure that government employers that do not pay Social Security taxes will still qualify for tax credits. This is a key priority for the NLC and across America for cities. So keep your eye out for more. Now it's time to fight. We will not stop until your voice is heard by members of the House, the Senate, and the White House. Thank you, and please be safe.